Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Tamron 18 to 250mm lens. Recently I had this lens which had dust inside. I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As you zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly, I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a metal tweezers, a suction cup, and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens, I will use an air pump, a brush, microfiber cloth, and lens cleaning fluid. For checking the lens elements, I will use a flashlight. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative, and adds value to you. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. And in the description there's an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I put it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. There is some dust behind the front lens element. Use a plastic spudger to lift up the front cover ring. Clean the front of the lens with an air pump. Remove the screws from the front of the lens. Mark the side of the front lens ring. The front lens element is calibrated, so it is important to mark it to make sure it is at the same position as it was there originally. Remove the screws from the front lens element. Use a suction cup to lift up the front lens element. Remove the glue from the side of the lens element. Clean the side of the lens with an air pump. Hold the lens tube downwards and clean the inside of it with a brush and an air pump. Clean the surface of the lens with cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the surface of the lens with a flashlight. In this case the lens is clean, so I continue cleaning the front lens element. Clean the front lens element with a brush and an air pump. Clean the inner side of the lens surface with cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the surface with a flashlight. Make sure it is perfectly clean. Put back the front lens element. Put back the screws. Align the marks on the front lens element. Clean the surface of the front lens element with cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Clean the front lens cover ring with a brush and an air pump. Put back the front cover and the screws. Put back the front lens covering. We are done cleaning the lens. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The link is in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching, and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.